Hello guys, how are you? Are you looking for a fun and tasty way to support your weight loss journey? Look no further than Slim Labs ACV KETO Gummies. These delicious gummies combine the power of apple cider vinegar and the ketogenic diet to help you reach your health goals. But do they really work? Are they a scam or legit? And how do you use them properly? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about Slim Labs ACV KETO Gummies, including real customer reviews, potential side effects, and where to buy them. So sit back, grab a snack, maybe even a gummy or two, and let's read it. What is Slim ACV KETO Gummies? Slim ACV KETO Gummies are a unique and innovative way to support your weight loss journey. But what exactly are they? These gummies are made with two powerful ingredients: apple cider vinegar, ACV, and the ketogenic diet. Apple cider vinegar has long been touted for its health benefits, including aiding in digestion, boosting immunity, and even promoting weight loss. Meanwhile, the ketogenic diet has gained popularity in recent years as a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that can help you burn fat more efficiently. By combining these two powerhouse ingredients into delicious gummy form, Slim Labs ACV KETO Gummies make it easier than ever to support your healthy lifestyle habits. Plus, they're an easy and convenient way to sneak some extra nutrition into your day. Of course, like any supplement or dietary aid, it's important to use Slim ACV KETO Gummies properly and in conjunction with other healthy habits like regular exercise and balanced nutrition. So let's dive deeper into how you can use them effectively. Key benefits of using Slim ACV KETO Gummies. Slim ACV KETO Gummies offer a unique combination of two powerful ingredients: apple cider vinegar and keto-friendly nutrients. These gummies are designed to provide users with all the benefits of both these elements in an easy-to-use format. One of the primary benefits of using Slim ACV KETO Gummies is that they can help support weight loss efforts when combined with regular exercise and a healthy diet. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to aid in digestion, reduce appetite, and boost metabolism, while the keto-friendly nutrients included in these gummies can help promote fat burning. If you want to get more info or have any other confusion, check official website. Thank you for watching this video.